Hello everyone and welcome back. Have you felt making homemade ghee is such a tedious task? The whole process involved in making butter from cream first and then turning that butter to ghee is so lengthy, right? In today's video, I'll show you the easiest way to make homemade ghee without converting the cream to butter. Hope you'll find it useful, so keep watching. At our home, we buy cow's milk from our neighborhood, and after boiling and cooling, thick malai floats on the top. I then collect the malai or cream in a container and keep it inside freezer. Once the container gets full, I take it out and keep inside refrigerator overnight so that the next day it will be ready for making butter or ghee. I keep a muslin cloth, strainer and glass bottle ready for collecting the prepared ghee. I use a heavy bottom kadai for making ghee since we'll have to stir the solution continuously and chances of bottom burning can be minimized. We'll have to make sure to keep the flame at lower setting as well. After some time, it will start boiling and we need to keep stirring and scrape down the sides as well. After about 15 to 20 minutes, you will notice the oil getting separated from the mixture. It kind of floats on top, and that time we need to use a spatula or ladle and scoop it out. Now I pour the separated ghee on the muslin cloth and strainer which we had already kept ready. Using muslin cloth will help in collecting the milk particles and we will be left with pure ghee itself. We will have to repeat this step until ghee stops floating on the top. Once we are done collecting ghee, you will be left with the cream mixture. I'll add sugar to this and mix. Later, I transfer it to an airtight container and keep inside refrigerator. It will stay fresh for the next couple of days. And at our home, Advik is the one who loves the sweet the most. Look at our homemade ghee, and the satisfaction of having purest ghee is something which the store-bought one cannot be replaced. Hope you find this video useful and do let me know how making ghee this way turned out for you. Please do show some love by liking this video and subscribing to the channel. I'll see you soon with another video. You guys stay safe and stay happy. Bye.